Hello my friends, it's time for unboxing. I bought a watch, a gift to myself actually. When I arrived here in Saudi Arabia 5 years ago, this watch is expensive, very expensive for me. Very expensive. It's around 3,500 riyal. And 3,500 riyal, 3,500 times 13.5, it's around 47,000 peso. So I waited for 5 years. And I saved money to buy this piece of, never mind. Okay, I will show you, I will unbox it, and let you decide what you think about this watch. So, chideng! It's G-Shock, Saudi Arabia. Why? I'll fix the camera first. Why like this? Okay. So it's G-Shock Saudi Arabia, and I will show you the box. Actually guys, I already opened it and I already wear this one. This is the re-unboxing. G-Shock. What's inside the box is this one, the warranty card, certificate of ownership, the warranty card international, what's this, manual, the module, and the can inside. So mostly of the G-Shocks, the containers like this, and the Pro-Trek is smooth. I have a old watch also from CASIO, the Pro-Trek PRWT 3500. So now I will show you the different in size for this two watch of mine. Actually, I love the size of the Mudmaster because the Mudmaster is big. So this is the Mudmaster and this is my CASIO PRW 3500T. Look at the difference of the size. By the way guys, the dimension for this watch is 59.5 by 56.1 by 18 millimeter. And it weighs around 119 grams. See the difference? But I love them both. They're both very, very durable. Maybe it will reach 15 years or more. I have an old Pathfinder. It was destroyed because my puppy ngat it in my wrist. You understand ngat? So, let's talk about the price. The price of this one 5 years ago, when it was out from the market, is around 3,500, and that is 47,000 peso. But I only purchased this one around the original price of this one today, it's around 2,200. 2,200 times 13. It's around 28,000 here in Saudi Arabia. But I asked my friend in the Philippines, working in the CASIO, the price for this one in the Philippines right now is around 35,000 peso. So, better to purchase here, including the tax around 15%. The tax right now, they already implemented tax last July. But I have discount for this one due to I bought this one during the Saudi days. So, let me compute it to you. So, 2,200 less than 30% because during that holiday of here, Saudi day, mostly of the items here in Saudi Arabia, my friends, during the sale, it really have sale. Unlike in our country, we have sale but they are already marked it, the price is already high. So 2,200 times 0.15 equals, so less 330 riyal. 2,200 less 330, around 1,800. 1,800. 1,870 times 13, it's around 24,000 peso. Plus the 15% tax, of course. So 18,070 times 0.15, it's 280. No, 1,870 plus 280. So I bought this one all in all, including the tax, around 2,150. That is in peso, in Philippine money, that is 28,000. So it's still cheaper. Still cheaper, around 7,000 peso. So why this watch? Because I'm in love with this watch. Simple answer. So guys, I think this watch is the G-Shock of all G-Shock as of today. The incredible hawk of all G-Shocks. Of course, CASIO have different brands of watches. Different, what that line. There's a G-Shock, there's a BBG, there's Edifice, there's a Protrek, there's a MTG. MTG is also very expensive, very expensive, for at least for the standard G-Shock, maybe at least times 8 the price. The MTG are the metals. The Edifice, the Oceanos, I think that's all. So I love more G-Shock because this G-Shock have a robust design. It reflects my personality, of course, and it fits to my work, to my nature of work. Of course, for those people who doesn't know, I'm working in the construction. I am a construction worker. So this is the G-Shock Mudmaster series GWG-1000. It's a happy birthday to me. Thank you for watching, and I hope you like my presentation for my 2 G-Shock, and I bought another CASIO watch for my children. It's baby G-Shock. Many thanks. See you again in my next vlog, and I hope you like, and syukran, dagang salamat, and maraming salamat, kuno na farat.